Alright, today I'm gonna show you how to make a Billabong butterfly knife out of K'NEX, okay? So you're gonna need 2 of these, 3 of these, 6 of those, 3 of these little circle things, 4 of these, 1 of these, and 1 of these. Okay. So you're gonna take your red thing and your purple thing. You're gonna clip it on to that. Do the same for the other one. Okay. And now you're going to take this and your white things, clip it on right there, move it all the way to that side, take another one, do the same. Okay, so now you have that. And now you're going to take this and put it right in the middle so it lines up with the hole in the yellow one, okay? Put one of these all the way through and then take one of these blue ones, put it on the end. Put it on the end because it just makes so there's no play. Take your blue thing here, put it on the end. Okay, hold on while I get that. Okay, all right, I got it. Okay, so now you have that. Okay, and I ask you to put these, a blue one on each of the backs. Like this. Push them forward. So now it looks like you have that, okay? So you're gonna take your handles and put them just like that, okay? So you have that, okay? Take one of these, put it on the front. You have one handle done, okay? Do the same for the other side. There. You're almost done. Forgot to clip that in. Okay, this. I'm real sorry about that, okay? So now you clip that one in. So now you have 6 on both sides, okay? Just like that. Okay? Okay. So now, to make the place where your knife's gonna be, you're going to take this and this. Clip them together. And then you're going to take it where it's orange and clip it right on there, right on the end of the orange. Okay? Then you're going to take your old scissor knife that you broke and you're going to put it on just like that, okay? Hold on 2 seconds. Something just happened. Okay. I'll put the scissor knife on so you can get a general idea what you're gonna have. Okay. So there it is. And there's your piece. You're just gonna tape it around that, okay? Make sure it works. Tape it here and here. before you put the knife on so they don't turn. See? And then you tape the knife on. And I also suggest, here's my handles, you tape the handles where the purple thing is so it doesn't move either. Okay? And so there you go. And if you have any questions, just comment, leave them there, video response, and subscribe. Okay, thanks. Bye.